The 2024 Passport has received upgrades, with the new Black Edition replacing the Elite grade as the model's range-topping trim. The Trailsport now becomes an off-road-focused model, with tweaks to the suspension, stabilizer bars, and damper valve tuning. For sure, this mid-size SUV is making a grand entrance with a host of thrilling updates and features. So, without further ado, here are 10 reasons why you should buy the 2024 Honda Passport. With only a minor $800 to $1,410 bump in prices despite its remarkable upgrades, your bank account remains cheerful. The Honda Passport starts at $41,900. That's for the XL trim, which comes with all-wheel drive as standard, as well as many more features. Passport Trailsport starts at $44,500, and the top Black Edition model starting at $47,970 doesn't have a long options list to raise its price because virtually everything is standard here. If you're an adventurer at heart, the Passport Trailsport is your perfect match. For just $900 more, this off-road champion is ready to satisfy your adventurous spirit. It's equipped with all-terrain tires, an enhanced suspension, and wider tracks to tackle rugged terrain with ease. With a ground clearance of 8.1 inches and terrain modes to optimize performance, it's your trusty companion for those off-road escapades. While it handles easy to moderate off-road terrain comfortably, it's not a match for hardcore rock crawling. When compared to rivals, it offers a balanced off-road experience at an affordable price, an ideal choice for your outdoor adventures. The Honda Passport Black Edition elevates the driving experience, adding a touch of opulence for an extra $1,410. With its striking black exterior accents, including a sleek black grille, mirrors, badges, and wheels, it exudes a high-end vibe that's hard to ignore. The luxury continues inside, where you'll find ventilated front seats for the driver and co-pilot. The rear passengers aren't left out either, with heated seats featuring stylish red contrast stitching for added comfort. The interior boasts perforated leather seats and tasteful red accent lighting that sets the mood for a refined ride. While the exact pricing is yet to be unveiled, expect this premium package to add $1,410 to the base Passport cost. Beneath the hood is the Honda Passport's robust 280 horsepower, 3.5-liter V6 engine, coupled with a responsive 9-speed automatic transmission and an all-wheel drive system. This dynamic powertrain duo unleashes a spirited driving experience for quick acceleration and seamless power delivery that's sure to rev up your driving enthusiasm. The 9-speed automatic transmission impresses with its smooth operation. And thanks to the all-wheel drive system, the Passport gains better traction and stability across diverse road conditions. It's equally at home on off-road escapades. The Passport's V6 engine strikes a harmonious balance between power and efficiency, boasting a commendable estimated fuel economy of 19 miles per gallon in the city and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. Plus, this SUV flexes its muscles with a substantial towing capacity of up to 5,000 pounds when properly equipped, perfect for hauling trailers and heavy loads with ease. The Honda Passport harmoniously blends power and fuel efficiency, a boon for adventurers who relish extended explorations with minimal refueling interruptions. Equipped with a robust 280 horsepower 3.5-liter V6 engine, a 9-speed automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive, it boasts EPA estimated fuel economy ratings of 19 miles per gallon in the city, 24 miles per gallon on the highway, and 21 miles per gallon combined. In real-world testing, Car and Driver achieved a commendable 17 miles per gallon during a few weeks with a Trailsport model. It delivered 23 miles per gallon on a 75 miles per hour fuel economy route. However, individual mileage may vary depending on driving conditions and habits. The Passport's impressive balance between fuel efficiency and performance makes it a practical choice for extended road trips and everyday commuting. The Honda Passport introduces an all-new center console designed to banish clutter and foster a sense of order. Its widened design, complete with an integrated armrest, provides ample storage space and even boasts full-size tablet compatibility. Passengers remain connected and entertained during lengthy journeys. The Passport's interior also showcases practical storage solutions like a generously sized glove box, convenient door pockets, and cup holders. All these contribute to maintaining a well-organized and clutter-free vehicle. The Honda Passport places safety on the highest pedestal, with its standard Honda sensing features being the cherry on top. This all-encompassing suite, packed with driver assist, active safety, and convenience elements, gives drivers an extra set of eyes on the road. Adaptive cruise control equipped with low-speed follow ensures you maintain a safe distance from the vehicle ahead, adapting like a chameleon to the changing traffic conditions. The lane-keeping assist system keeps you on the straight and narrow so that you don't go off the deep end of your lane. The blind spot information system and rear cross-traffic monitor are like guardian angels, always watching your back. In the event of a potential frontal collision, the automatic emergency braking with forward collision warning steps in. At the same time, the lane departure warning acts as your trusted compass, keeping you on the right path. The Honda Passport is as roomy as a mansion, providing a cabin so spacious and cavernous that it's the perfect companion for everyday chores or those epic road trips. It's not just spacious, it's practically palatial, comfortably seating up to 5 passengers. The rear seats offer room aplenty, with dimensions that boast 39.5 inches of front headroom, 40 inches of rear headroom, 40.9 inches of front legroom, and 39.6 inches of rear legroom. There's space for days. The cargo room boasts a generous 50.5 cubic feet behind the second row, expanding to a whopping 100.8 cubic feet with the second row folded down. It doesn't stop there. This Passport even hides a few tricks up its sleeve, with underfloor storage in the trunk space. The Honda Passport is also a high-tech playground for all you tech enthusiasts out there. It's like an 8-inch magic portal to the digital realm, equipped with an intuitive touchscreen display that's as user-friendly as your favorite smartphone. With the Passport, you can seamlessly connect your world with its own with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And if you're the kind who likes to venture into the unknown, the higher trims have your back with built-in navigation, offering real-time traffic updates and turn-by-turn directions. The Passport cranks up the volume with a premium 10-speaker audio system. Get sound quality that's nothing short of a symphony. And for those on the move, Bluetooth connectivity keeps you connected, letting you stream your favorite tracks and make hands-free calls with ease. The Honda Passport isn't just a performance beast, it's a head-turner too. This SUV is like a dashing action hero, combining rugged toughness with modern-day aesthetics to create a visual masterpiece. The front grille is a bold declaration. It stands out with its aggressive design and leaving other SUVs in its wake. But it's not all about looks. Those sleek lines and muscular stances aren't just for show. They give the Passport a sense of power and presence while boosting its aerodynamics, so it not only looks good but also performs efficiently. And if you're the kind of explorer who craves the thrill of the off-road, the Trailsport trim is your partner in crime. It's got roof rails for your adventure gear, and the Honda Intelligent Variable Torque Management all-wheel drive system for maximum traction and control. Plus, you've got options. The Passport comes in various trims and colors, so you can pick the one that suits your style. It's not just a car, it's a statement on wheels.